I got a very good question. This might seem really weird, but what is the difference between investing and trading? First off, not a weird question at all. In fact, a very good question. I remember being a beginner just getting started and you start to do your homework and research and you're seeing terms investor, investing, trader, trading. Okay, are these terms interchangeable? Are they different? What makes them different? So all very good questions on your part and very wise questions to be asking. So yes, there is a difference. Now, is there a universal black and white definition? Not that I'm aware of, but I will say that I think that 95% of people are going to agree with the definition and the difference that I give here. But it's not like there's going to be any sort of for sure, written in concrete type definition. But broadly speaking, what I talk about here, I think, like I said, most people would agree with in terms of what is the difference. So when it comes to trading and investing and the difference, essentially it all revolves around this right here, time. And when I say time, I mean more specifically the question, how long? How long what? Well, how long do you plan on holding on to whatever you are buying? That could be stock, that could be crypto, that could be options contracts. It could be Pokemon cards, it could be baseball cards, but if you are buying something, whatever that thing is, how long do you plan on holding it before you go and sell it and try to make a profit on it? That's going to be the key difference, is the whole time dynamic and how long. Now, investing is pretty straightforward because investing essentially just has one way to go about it, whereas trading will be a little different as you see. But with investing, when it comes to the time period, you're looking to be holding months and years. And this is where you get, maybe you've heard of 401ks or IRA accounts, things like that, retirement savings. That's where this sort of investing comes into play, where you're looking to buy and you have no plans, you have no desire to sell things for years on end. For me personally, in my retirement accounts where I have my stocks and such, I'm looking to hold on to those for not even years, but decades upon decades, because they are just investments. Now, some may argue it could be months, which is why I figured I'd throw that in there. But at the end of the day, these are investments. These are time periods. They're going to be months and more than likely years before you ever consider selling them. So if investing is what you're looking to do, then I do offer a free guide there that I'll put a link down in the description, and it'll walk you through a good beginner's guide, a good way to get started with investing, and then you can build and get more advanced from it. But that free guide will give you a good launch point, which you can build from. Now, as we move into trading, it's not like it's complicated, but there are a couple of branches that fall within the general category of trading, and that's where we need to break these down between day trading and swing trading. Because if you just try to define trading up front, it can get a little bit sketchy because you got to be a little bit more specific. So we'll break down swing trading and then we'll talk day trading. So the first one we will focus on here is day trading. And if you are day trading, then broadly speaking, you're going to be looking to buy and sell within seconds, minutes, or hours. Now that may sound crazy, but when you hear seconds, wait, you're looking to buy and then sell something within seconds? Yes, that is, a form of day trading. It's something that I do quite a bit. And I don't know how new you are to my channel, but if you want to see some of those trades that quite literally take seconds, then you can just go to my playlist I offer that is live trading, and it's me recording myself trading live. And you'll see not all the time, some trades take longer than seconds, but a lot of trades, I'm in and out of them in less than 1 minute. But yes, you can do seconds. Sometimes maybe you're looking to hold for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then sometimes more of an hour. Maybe I'm looking to buy and I'll look to sell this in a few hours from now. But it's all taking place in the same day, hence the term a day trader or day trading. So looking to buy and sell within the same day. It can be as quick as a couple of seconds. It can be long as several hours. And then the next type of trading is known as swing trading. And this is where you're looking to buy and hold for days, weeks, or potentially months. Now, yes, months is a bit of an overlap because I can see some investors saying, well, investing, if you're looking to buy and hold over months, that can still be an investment. And I wouldn't argue against that. Just like some swing traders would say, well, this is a multi-month swing trade for myself. And I can see that too. So maybe a little bit of blurry lines right there. But broadly speaking, again, if you are a swing trader, if you're looking to be a swing trader, or to help you out with the terminology, then odds are you're looking to buy and you're not looking to sell for, it could be a few days, a few weeks, or potentially a few months. But that would be the difference within the family of trading. You have the day trading and then you have the swing trading. And if you are looking to learn more about trading, both day and swing trading, then head up my site, claytrader.com, and I offer many resources on that. So that's all I have for you. Very simple difference, but I think that's the best way to describe it is all about the time question. How long do you plan on holding before you look to sell in order to try to make money from that? And that's gonna help dictate whether you're more interested in day trading or swing trading, or excuse me, day trading or investing. And me personally, a lot of people do both. I have my investments off to the side because those do not require a whole lot of time. And then I'm doing actively day trading. Not that you have to do that, but it's not like you have to only be an investor or only be a day trader. You can do multiple ones. Some people are all three. Some people are investors, they're swing traders, and they're day traders. And there's just many different pathways you can go. But like I said, at the core, this would be the difference between trading and investing. So I hope that helps. If there are questions, leave those down below. Like you saw there, this is what got that video started, was just a question that somebody asked. There are no weird, well, there might be some weird questions, but there are no dumb questions. All questions have their time and place. So like I said, if you have an idea or you'd have a question, leave those down below, and who knows, maybe I'll make a video of it. But I hope this helps in helping you differentiate between trading and investing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.